Tonight, we're working to save you some money if you're thinking about refinancing or purchasing a home. Right now, mortgage rates are 6.7%, which is a little lower than this time last year, but higher than many are currently paying.
It's a tough situation for potential home buyers who've been hoping rates will drop. And if you're locked into a lower mortgage rate, refinancing will probably have to wait.
Richard Reeve has expert advice on how to navigate this situation. He's live right now in Maple Grove. Rich.
Now, Lindsay, it's kind of hard to find one of these signs here. You know, a lot of us have bought homes in the last couple of years hoping that 6.7% rate would go down. It has not. Now, today we spoke with a Maple Grove homeowner and a high-profile realtor about what they think. Royanne White loves her new home and her new neighborhood in Maple Grove. She just moved in last Halloween.
I do. I love this place. It's very family oriented and it has allowed my family to have space.
But White, who's now paying a 5.7% fixed rate, is keeping a close eye on the housing market and what the Fed might do. But would you like to see the rates come down?
Of course, absolutely. I would love to see the rates come down. We're settled here. We're not going anywhere. And obviously a lower payment would help stretch the budget a bit.
White isn't alone. Jennifer Livingston, the president of the St. Paul Area Association of Realtors, says many of her clients are hunkering down, staying in their homes, hoping those mortgage rates will fall.
People are more conscious now, not so much about what the interest rate is, but what their payment is. We've come down to a very payment conscious society.
Livingston says the current 6.7% rate means those who hope to refinance in a year or two are stuck, with the housing market divided between homeowners who locked in cheap borrowing costs and those who face higher monthly payments. She says homebuyers should consider an adjustable rate mortgage with a lower rate. But if you are locked in now, she says, consider using the equity in your home as a financial advantage.
You build equity in your home, and so if you've lived there the last couple of years, our house payments, has stayed the same, but the equity in your home has gone up. So if you're looking to have cash on hand, maybe make some updates to your home, you can always look at taking out, home equity line. Could be an option for some people.
White says she hopes other prospective homeowners will get the same opportunity she's had.
I'm just praying that, the rates do come down and people can continue to, afford a home. I think that's everyone's dream.
Yeah, so what kind of rate drop should you look for? Livingston says 2% is the general rule. It can be as little as 1%, depending on your equity situation and how long you plan to stay in your home. Live in Maple Grove, Richard Reeve, 5 Eyewitness News.
Thanks, Rich.